Hello friends, welcome to the series on external quality assessment. This external quality assessment is also called as inter-laboratory comparison. It is also called as simply proficiency testing. So we are going to see the details of this proficiency testing or inter-laboratory comparison or external quality assessment. Now this external quality assessment is used to monitor the accuracy of the laboratory's method on an ongoing basis. It enables the lab to compare itself with others using the same method for the same analyte. EQA or external quality assessment involves use of the same sample in several labs and comparing the lab's result with that of others performing the same test by same method. Participation in EQA enhances the confidence of the lab in its results. It also enhances the user's confidence in the lab they use for their test. External quality assessment or proficiency testing allows for comparison of a laboratory's testing procedure to other laboratories across the world. Comparison can be made to a peer group of laboratory or to a reference laboratory. As we have already seen, external quality assessment and internal quality control are the pillars of quality management system. So here we will start our series on external quality assessment. Now as per ISO 15189-2012 clause number 5.6.3, the laboratory shall participate in an inter-laboratory comparison program such as external quality assessment program or proficiency testing program appropriate to the examination and interpretation of examination results. The laboratory shall monitor the results of the inter-laboratory comparison program and participate in the implementation of corrective actions when predetermined performance criteria are not fulfilled. So the international standard of the medical testing laboratory mentions that the laboratory should participate in inter-laboratory comparison program. That should be as per the requirement of ISO 17043, which is a specific requirement for proficiency testing bodies. The laboratory shall establish a documented procedure for inter-laboratory comparison participation that includes defined responsibilities and instructions for participation, and any performance criteria that differ from the criteria that used in the inter-laboratory comparison program. Inter-laboratory comparison program chosen by the laboratory shall, as far as possible, provide clinically relevant challenges that mimic patient sample and have the effect of checking the entire examination process, including pre-examination procedure, post-examination procedure. So EQA or external quality assessment is defined as a system for objectively checking the laboratory's performance using an external agency or facility. There are several EQA methods or processes commonly used. It includes proficiency testing, in which external provider sends unknown sample for testing to a set of laboratories, and the results of all laboratories are analyzed, compared and reported to the laboratories. The second is rechecking or retesting. Samples that have been analyzed are retested, allowing for inter-laboratory comparison. The third one is on-site evaluation. This is done when it is difficult to conduct traditional proficiency testing or to use the rechecking retesting method. What are the benefits of external quality assessment? Participation in an external quality assessment program provides valuable data and information which allows comparison of performance and results among different test sites, provides early warning for systematic problems associated with kits or the operations. It provides objective evidence of testing quality. It indicates areas that need improvement, and it identifies training needs of the operator. EQA also helps to assure customers such as physicians, patients, and health authorities that the laboratory can produce reliable results. Individual laboratories can use IQA to identify problems in the laboratory practices, allowing for appropriate corrective actions. IQA participation will help to evaluate reliability of methods, materials, and equipment, and to evaluate and monitor training impact. For laboratories performing public health related testing, IQA can help to assure the results from different laboratories during surveillance activities are comparable. IQA participation is usually required for accreditation. IQA participation creates a network for communication and can be a good tool for enhancing national laboratory network. The accreditation bodies have different requirements of IQA. They may ask to participate in a specific external quality assessment scheme or as per their norms. Now we will see what are the principal characteristics of an IQA scheme. IQA program can be either free of charge or require a fee. Free IQA program include those offered by a manufacturer to ensure equipment is working correctly, and those organized by regional or national program for quality improvement. Some IQA programs are obligatory, either required by an accrediting body or by law. Others are voluntary, and the quality manager may choose to voluntarily participate in an IQA program to achieve improvement in the quality of the laboratory's performance. The IQA program can be organized at different levels: regional level, national level, or international level. Individual laboratory results are kept confidential and generally are only known by the participating laboratory and the IQA provider. A summary is generally provided and allows comparison to the overall group. Some IQA scheme may address a single disease, others may address many kinds of laboratory tests. Successful performance in an IQA program reflects the effectiveness of the laboratory's quality management and allows for recognition of the laboratory quality by external group. IQA is an important for improvement of the laboratory quality management system, and as it is a measure of laboratory's performance. So in the coming videos we will see the details of external quality assessment or IQA. With this we will conclude this lecture on introduction of external quality assessment. Thank you.